Hello. So, finally done with number one and number two. So, I'm gonna start with number three. So, for this part, I would like to blabber about my experiences here in Japan. It's not really a lot, but basically just the general idea of some of my experiences here. So, being a foreigner, it's not easy to actually stay here and live here. Yeah, so that's a challenge. So, of course, not everything is bad. There are some good ones, and of course, there are also some bad ones. And yeah, 50-50, good and bad so far, based on what I have gone through. Yeah, where are the other threes? Three. So, not sari, sari じゃなくて it's three. Usually pronounce it as sari. So here I'm just gonna be tracing it because I'm having a hard time looking for them. So let's just trace number three first. Yeah. Anyway, where was I? What was I blabbering about earlier? Good. I think it was good experiences. Yeah, good experiences. Yeah, for the good ones, I would say I am very thankful for those Japanese people who helped me. They were very, very, very nice to me. For some reason, you would, really know if the person is treating you genuinely. Because here in Japan, they have this face you have when you are with people. As I recall, I think they call it tatemae. And then the other one, which is like the real face. I think they call it honne. Was it Honne? Yeah, I think it was Honne. Katamayan Honne. Right. So some of them, they were really genuine, and most were not really. I can tell. But then again, stay with your act. So along the way, you will have to learn to also play the game, or like the act. Right. And for the bad experience, just in train, when you are inside the train, call that Dansha here. Yeah, like, I'm pretty certain some of the foreigners also has experiences, like the way they act or stay away from you as if you are like an incubus of viral plague. I mean, I can understand this for them having these foreigners in their lands, especially for those who are not respecting it, especially for those taking advantage of it. You know who you are. Yeah. But, I don't really mind those kind of treatment, because even before coming here, I am already aware of that. Yeah. I have read articles. Yeah. And the only nice thing about that is I love the space. Yeah. 'Cause usually they don't sit beside you. So, for those of you, don't get annoyed with that. Just enjoy the space, extra space you have inside the train. And then, talking about the main struggle, Japan has one of the best cuisines. That's a fact. And due to my lack of speaking their language, the lack thereof speaking their language, communicating with people, I just dine at fast food chains, those with touchpad, where you just, order through screen. The good thing is some of it has English, some don't, so you can just guess what the taste would be like, or like the ingredients on the food they will be bringing on your table. Yeah, so there are a lot to enjoy here, but for that reason I cannot. Right. So, in the years to come, if I still wish to stay here, I'd be would wish I'd be able to go to different places without the need to be scared, because again, cannot speak their language. It's difficult to communicate. But let's see if I will be able to try my best to at least reach the conversational level. Right? And other things to look forward here is the season. Although I am not a fan of their summer here because it is way too hot and very, very humid. And just imagine yourself inside an oven. You're gonna be a toaster. That's toast. Yeah, so again, I might not be able to give you a tour here in Japan, so just come and see for yourself, for those of you who are of course curious. And yeah, but the experience of being a tourist and actually leaving here, not leaving but living here, it is different. Being a tourist, you just have to survive for a few days, months maybe, and enjoy a lot. While you're here, and then go back home. But living here, you have to survive longer, enjoy a little. Man, it's expensive here. Enjoying stuff here is expensive. Unless, of course, you're born with a golden spoon. Well, lucky you. As mentioned before, I have friends here, but since I live by myself, sometimes loneliness creeps in. Being alone is normal here. Japan is a haven for introverts. It is a place for you, and of course for me. I'm an introvert. And of course, given that you are good in Japanese, of course, that would be a big plus. Also, I have learned to be even more private here. I enjoy company, but a lot prefer to be alone here. Some maybe they'd want to belong to a group of friends or community, perhaps. I don't know. But maybe due to how their society has developed or evolved, maybe that is why being alone is seen as normal here. But maybe for other people, other culture, they see it as something sad, It is actually not sad, but for them, it brings peace. For the individual, peace is very important here in Japan. They hate drama here. Japanese hate these public outbursts. So, for the Karens out there, please, by all means, just keep coming here in Japan. For them, it's uncool. It's degrading. It's humiliating. Yeah, but of course, for some spectators, it's fun. Anyway, actually, sometimes I wonder if those Japanese before, people in history, have they also preferred to be alone? Some ninjas work alone. Maybe some samurais as well. I do not know. Please, 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 educate me, please. Anyway, that's it for today. Jane.